Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaicans coming here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Najeeriii. Najeeriii just dropped a music video on the Dutty Riddim. Music video called PHAT PHAT. So something for the girl them, I suppose. So we're gonna jump in the one and hear what the G say. Let's go. Let's hear what the G say. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_words_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video. So cover art first. Oh well, not cover art. This is like a book or like a poster, like a sheet. The PHAT PHAT Jim Najeeriii Russian. Okay, so it's a Russian, now or never. Russian and now or never. Okay, big up production team. Let's go.
Hey, Russia.
Hold on, man. This start like bring the girl in the go. No. This a for the girl in the massage parlor, I know. No man never tell you this yet, baby, me love you. Take off your panties, so. Girl, oh, you love the fuck. Sit down, punk. Whoa. And I said start. Obviously, it's a Russian production, so you expect no better. Let's go. Hey, Russia. Russian. It's concussion presents. Yo. Hey. I just see him rhythm. So the look intro start like that, then change up a little bit, then it go back. I just see him rhythm. I like it. Russian, you are a genius, sir. Russian, you, sir, is a genius. Yes, you are a genius, man. Yeah, this is a classic. Hey, Russian. Bring that guy. It's a video girl in different. Let's go. Najeeriii, let's go. Hey, and he say, hey.
Bad bitch love Babs.
Yeah.
Bad seed love that.
Yeah. Bad bitch love who? Bob. Rubber like who? Bob. The bad bitch them love. Yeah.
Bad bitch love Babs.
Yeah.
Bad seed love that.
Yeah.
Your body get bad for your dip some squats. Your girlfriend bad from a rich dose knock.
It's a well-known fact. From the ladies, them enter the gym and do couple squats, you know, so body start get. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Bad bitch love Babs. Bad seed love that. Your body get bad for your dip some squats. Your girlfriend bad from a rich dose knock. He bitch front up and me go fling down that you got the big bump and that he been flung back.
Russian changed the rhythm as well. Russian changed the rhythm name. Dutty Riddim this name. Before it wasn't the same name. So I'm changing the rhythm. Was it the Go-Go Club rhythm? I'm quite curious now. I'm curious. Guys, I'm reacting. Just bear with me. Go-Go Club rhythm. Yeah, Go-Go Club rhythm. Sita.
Hey, Russian. Build a song for the girl in the Go-Go Club. God no. This a for the girl in the massage parlor. I know. Over so, bend over so. Up in your ear, cause the bulldozer go. Bend over.
CM Riddim. Russian is a fucking genius. Him change the name of the rhythm though. I don't know why, but
you know drink body get bad for your dip.
I think he probably change a few keys in the rhythm as well, but at the same rhythm, yeah, you're the same rhythm.
Squats for the girlfriend bad from a rich dose knock. He bitch front up and me go fling down that you got the big bump and that he been flung back. She no drink rum rationally, bitch love shot. She love in rough back as she been broke bad.
Am I chopping her? Am I chopping the rhythm? Don't take it like that.
He bitch front up and me go fling down that you got
watch the bob walk, brother. The bob walk neat. When the jail do the bob walk, I him alone me say do bob walk like this too. Neat, proper. Watch the bob walk.
Girl, your pussy fat, fat. She carry another girl a fully knocked. Mama pussy fat, like a girl a fully got pants. Papa Uzi and shut a bag of rookies and fans. I mean we shoot up the plate. She suck it cocky, yeah, tune up the place.
We shoot up a plate, she suck it.
I mean we shoot up the plate. She suck it cocky, yeah, tune up the place. She cute, solid catty, yeah, fi use up the brain. She rude, running slappy, tappy, do tucky brains. I mean we buy a bitch a coach. If you got a little diameter choke.
We buy a bitch a coach. So I must say, yo, if me rent a coach, a gym coach, a personal trainer for the girl them, you know.
I mean we buy a bitch a coach. If you got a little diameter choke. You rubber would judge you like a child in a coat. If you so
man say, yo, if you got a little that not said the G not judge you like a child in a coat. Him not judge you. Bars. Bars.
If you got a little diameter choke, you rubber would judge you like a child in a coat. If you suck from a cocky that a flyers in a coat. So come kitty gotta fly. You're pretty like a dime, your titties have a vibe. Every filly have a price from a kitty baba buy. She a suck from a cocky fresh city gotta ride. Rush and chop it up, done. Run up and he gotta do a my touch cloud. The fox can be girl alone, call it up, horse frank.
The fox can be girl alone. The master tell us him fuck scabby girl, but him the fuck scabby girl alone. Him fuck the dolly them too. Him the fuck scabby girl alone. How you mean? Cocking on a principle, blood clot. No principle body enough. No. But I say him fuck scabby girl and a fuck scabby girl alone.
Run up and he gotta do a my touch cloud. The fox can be girl alone, call it up, horse frank. Call it down south and he cat it love cloud. She black.
No, what am I say? Him the fuck scabby girl alone, dolly uptown, him attack like alone, dolly uptown. Because it's a play upon right here, it can mean anything. Me no fuck scabby girl alone, dolly uptown. Or, yo brother, me not fuck no scabby. Alone dolly girl me a fuck. Alone dolly. That you mean?
Rush and chop it up, done. Run up and he gotta do a my touch cloud. The fox can be girl alone, call it up, horse frank. Call it down south and he cat it love cloud. She black out from the Mali touch mouth.
She black out from the Mali touch mouth. Ladies, don't make no man go to the Mali, yeah, man. That me I say, yeah, man.
Call it down south and he cat it love cloud. She black out from the Mali touch mouth. Cause she have a knock it, she snatching up souls. Have her body in the topic, cause she hat it on skull. Got the clack it out loud, fool, shot it gun clown. Girl, your pussy fat, fat.
Girl, them a record still, you know.
Touch mouth, cause she have a knock it, she snatching up souls. Have her body in the topic, cause she hat it on skull. Got the clack it out loud, fool, shot it gun clown. Girl, your pussy fat, fat. She carry another girl a fully knocked down. Baba pussy fat, like a girl a fully got pants. Papa Uzi and shut a bag of rookies and fans. I mean we shoot up the plate. She suck it cocky, yeah, tune up the place. She cute, solid catty, yeah, fi use up the brain. And she rude, running slappy, tappy, do tucky brains. Back bitch love babs. Backseat love tats. Your body get bad for your dick some squat. Cause she carry friend bad, no bitch don't snack. He bitch front up and me go fling down. That you got the big bumper that a fi been flung back. She no drink rum rationally, bitch love chat. She no been rough back as she been broke bad.
She not drink rum rationally. She like take shot of rum. So she have sense with the rum. But you don't have sense with the Mali though, man.
Don't snack. He bitch front up and me go fling down. That you got the big bumper that a fi been flung back. She no drink rum rationally, bitch love chat. She no been rough back as she been broke bad. Girl her pussy fat, fat. She carry another girl a fully knocked down. Mama pussy fat. Girl her pussy fat, fat. She carry another girl a fully knocked down. Mama pussy fat. Take a girl a fully got pants. Kappa Uzi and shit a bag of rookies and fags.
Russian's a fucking genius, bro. No joke. No or never. Big up yourself. Russian, you, my friend, is a fucking genius, bro. Najeeriii, big up yourself. Big up all the sexy ladies in another song, yeah. On the video, not the music video. No or never. Big up yourself. Yo, Russian, you are setting a trend right here. And I hope other producers see it and follow. Go back for the classic Riddim them, dog. Go back for the Riddim them, want to hit after. Go back for them Riddim there and revamp them. If you want to change a couple keys, not much. Keep it as original as possible. And show out them song, some of them new artists upon them Riddim there. And watch on the hit again from the same Riddim. Think smart, dog. Work smart, not hard, dog. You see me? Because them Riddim I did hit then, them Riddim I go hit again, brother, because these Riddim are timeless. These rhythms are timeless. Like, no matter what you do, once a year, hey, Russian, you off your move. You see me? Russian, big up yourself, bro. Big up your fucking self, dog. Najeeriii, big up your fucking self to dog. This is a wise move by Russian. Wise move, bro. Wise move. Anyway, this is how I'm going to leave down still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you are new, my friends. And I will see you. Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, Buckler, Russian, you find it, dog.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.